In this quick video, I will show you how to stake Shiba Inu on Shibaswap step by step. So the first step is to go to shibaswap.com and you will gonna need to connect your wallet. So you can choose any of these wallets, but we're going to choose MetaMask and then click stake tokens here and click bury SHIB. So make sure that you are using Ethereum network in your MetaMask wallet, otherwise it will not work. And then you can now type the amount of Shiba Inu you want to stake. And you can also choose what percentage of Shiba Inu you want to stake. And once you have typed down the amount of Shiba Inu you want to stake, click approve here and make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet because you're going to use it for the gas fee. So once you have clicked approve here, a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up and you will gonna need to click approve, and that requires a gas fee. And then once you have approved the contract, you can now click stake here and then a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up again and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee again. And once you have staked your Shiba Inu, you will see here your total borrowed Shiba Inu, your tokens, and the total value in USD. And if you want to know more about the rewards, you can click the menu here and click white paper. Then on the 15th page, you will see here the information about the Bury SHIB, and you can see here that the 33% of the Bone and Ethereum returns will be weekly distributed and available for withdrawal. And the remaining 67% of your reward will be time locked for 6 months. And if you want to see the rewards, you can go to archive rewards here, and you can see here the movable Bury SHIB Bone and the movable wrapped Ethereum. So once you have staked your Shiba Inu, you will see here your 33% of your rewards that is available to withdraw, and the remaining 67% of your rewards that is locked for 6 months. So you will not be able to withdraw that 67%. And if you have any questions about how to stake Shiba Inu on Shibaswap, leave a comment below.